And yes, guys, the chase piece on the first try of this case. Here's training truck size, El Toro Loco, guys, right here. Pretty nice. Awesome, guys. Collect them all, of course. The same backing like the other ones. Your Trucks for Action Monster Jam. Right. Without further ado, let's go and open it. Ooh, okay, here it is, guys. Let me put the light on it. Here it is. El Toro Loco, guys. And there's a yellow rims and B-locks, BKT tires. The orange roll cage. El Toro Loco. Monsham logo on top. Metal chassis. Black tires. Pretty cool, the flames in the front. Nice. BKT printing. So those are the only two I got today, guys. I'll try to get the rest soon. Like, subscribe, comment, share more videos coming soon. Peace out. Hope you enjoyed.